Hi guys, Sean at Cowtown USA. We're looking at a 2019 Lakota Charger with a 15-foot short wall 3-horse. It's got the polished nose on it. It is also the new silver, just a beautiful color. Like I said, it's got the polished nose on it, dual hydraulic jacks, power awning with the LED light strip underneath it. This is just a really neat color. LED light by the door. Once again, power awning. It's got drop down windows on the hip side. Upgraded with the aluminum wheels. Got the corrugation on the horse area. Armor plating. Another LED light on the side so you can see what you're doing at night. Go back here. This trailer is equipped with a rear ramp. We've got your blanket bars on the tack room door, adjustable saddle racks, bridle hooks. Once again, LED load lights on the back. Going to the horse area here, all line insulated, pop-up roof vents, airflow dividers, your stud divider. Just a really nice trailer. Then here on this side, we've got your mangers, another LED light. This trailer is equipped with the briar door latch and the step on the escape door, so you can use that as a mud room. Got a 6-foot slide out. Just a really pretty trailer. Now we're going to step into the living quarters part. One thing the Lakota's been doing that I really like is they put the door stop down here at the bottom of the door. That way the wind's not going to take the door from you and go around and hit the side of your trailer. We step in the inside of this trailer. We've got upgraded to the hickory interior. It's got your dinette, which also makes into a bed, with the alley suede interior on the couch and the back of the dinette. It's got the drop down doors at the end of the dinette. You've got your couch on the riser wall. Really good steps up to the bed. Lots of cabinets and storage. All your control panels are right here. Like I said, it's got a power awning and your control for the slide out and everything you need's right there. This trailer is equipped with a fireplace, lots of countertop, big TV. This trailer is also upgraded with a convection oven, big dual stainless sinks. And the other thing I really like Lakota does is their drawers. They're slam proof. You just get it, push them, and they'll close themselves. Really nice cabinetry. We got the big fridge. And your freezer on top. And in the bathroom, we've got a big wardrobe. It's got storage up on top and then drawers at the bottom. Big neo-angle shower. Then we've got your pass-through door into the horse area. Big vanity in the bathroom. Stool. Medicine cabinet. Guys, this is just a beautiful trailer. At an affordable price. If you want to know more information on this trailer or any other trailer we got, just give myself a call, Sean or Jack. 573-885-6300, 573-885-6300, or go to Cowtown USA Inc.com.